Hey family, happy Father's Day to everyone. And I hope that you enjoy it with your loved ones. So first things first, we're going to be doing some beef stew. I got them already cut to the size that I wanted. This is the seasoning that I'm going to be using with it. However, you use whatever seasoning that you like to use on your beef stew. This is my black pepper, and this is Italian seasonings. Now give it a mix. So in the pan, we're going to go ahead and put some oil at the bottom, not too much because I am going to fry this, but I only have a little bit. So now as I wait for my oil to heat, I'm going to go ahead and put some flour on this and mix. Just like that. A little bit more flour. Making sure that they're all coated. And I'll let it sit until the pan is heated. All right, so what are you cooking for this beautiful Father's Day? Hit me in the comments below. So to this, I'm going to have some more vegetables, but they're in the refrigerator already. I'm going to be having some carrots, onions, peppers, and potatoes. And I'm going to just cook this, and then we're going to get everything added together. Now you're just cooking these to brown them on each side, and I will flip them all over. So now that all of my meat is done, now we're going to go ahead and pour in 2 cups of beef broth. You can use whatever broth you like. And as you see, I have my vegetables here cut up, potatoes, onions, and carrots. And I am going to get them added to this pot as well. Just like so. And give that a stir. And then we're going to bring this to a boil. You may at this point add more seasoning. And I am going to do that. First thing first, some W sauce, just about that much, and whatever other seasonings you would like. And again, you're gonna stir this and bring it to a boil. All right, now that this is coming to a boil, and family, the reason why you coat your meat with flour, because now it makes its own gravy. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this on low, and I will check it in about 45 minutes and cover it. And I want to say, Pops, I love you so very much, and I hope you enjoy this meal because you've talked about it for a while. Love you. We're having yellow rice. Now let's follow directions on the back of the package. There's those directions, and there's the finished product. How do you like that? With the yellow rice, we're going to have some black-eyed peas, and yes, do that quick soak. 1 minute to boil, and then hour to soak. So this is what it would look like. So go ahead and rinse and drain. So beans are in the pot, and I'm going to pour at least 1.5 cups of beef broth onto the beans, just like so. Seasonings of choice. A little bit of olive oil. About that much, and this amazing liquid smoke, about that much. Any veggies that you may like, go ahead and give this a stir, and go ahead and cook on medium and check an hour. Now that you have your peas to a roaring boil, now you can go ahead and reduce the heat and cover. All right, fam, after about an hour and a half, my black eyes are done, so stay tuned. So family, after 30 minutes, woo, that deliciousness is done. And the way you check it is you take a knife and pierce your vegetables and your meat. So if you have enjoyed this content, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Share my videos with all of your family and friends. And again, I love you, Poppy, and love on all of those fathers that are out there, whether they belong to you or not. A smile is worth a million. See you later. Peace.